To adjust the seat depth on the Rodeo, it will require tools. One is a 5/32 Allen's key, and the other is a 7/16 box wrench. By loosening the nut and bolt on the inside of the seat rail, you're able to adjust the seat rail individually. So this will have to be done on both seat rails. By loosening the bolt, you're able to slide the seat rail out, and I will slide the seat rail out all the way so you can see the different positions. There are 6 different positions that you can set the seat depth. They're in 1-inch increments. And once you have reached your desired seat depth, simply tighten your bolt back in and place your nut on the bolt. And then replace your seat upholstery and your seat cushion. And your Rodeo will be ready for use again with a new seat depth.